Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Side Smartbar on your NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So if you want to remove this Smartbar feature from your phone, I'll show you how to do it simply. So open up your settings. Go down here to Features, Smart Sidebar, and just make sure this is turned off. And now, as you can see, I already don't have a Smart Sidebar, so that's how you remove it from your NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.